Hello friends, welcome to Expert Medical Coding. In today's video, we are going to learn about body cavities. So let's get started. What is body cavity? A body cavity is a space within the body that contains internal organs called as viscera. As you can see in the image, the ventral cavities are in the front of the body, highlighted in blue, and the dorsal cavities are in the back, highlighted in red. So let's get started with the cavities along with what organs it contains. Cranial cavity. It contains the organs brain and pituitary gland. Thoracic cavity. It contains the organs lungs, heart, esophagus, trachea, bronchial tubes, thymus gland, and aorta. The thoracic cavity is divided into two smaller cavities, pleural cavity and mediastinum. Pleural cavity. Space between the folds of the pleura surrounding each lung. The pleura is a double-folded membrane that surrounds the lungs and protects them. If the pleura is inflamed, the pleural cavity may fill with fluid. Mediastinum. Mediastinum is a centrally located space outside of and between the lungs. It contains the heart, aorta, trachea, esophagus, thymus gland, bronchial tubes, and many lymph nodes. Abdominal cavity. It contains the peritoneum. The peritoneum is a double-folded membrane surrounding the organs in the abdominal cavity. It contains the kidneys. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs situated behind the abdominal cavity on either side of the backbone. Also contains the stomach, small and large intestines, spleen, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. The diaphragm is a muscular wall that divides the abdominal and thoracic cavities. Pelvic cavity. It contains portion of small and large intestines, rectum, urinary bladder, urethra, and uterus and vagina in the female. Spinal cavity. It contains nerves of the spinal cord.
Please like, share and subscribe to Expert Medical Coding. Thanks for watching.